What a beautiful day to be out. It was cold yesterday. I went over there to the old Salisbury spots, and it wasn't, but we got the gold ring and it was horrible. Sanded in. Got the big numbers finally on here. I had to do the update to get the big numbers. You have to have a PC. I luckily had one. 97. So I did the update and got the big numbers. I like them. Easier to see. Got a quarter here for the first signal. Got this on pitch tone. It seems nice. I got still working the beach menus. I'm on beach sensitive. I might try some of the other beach ones. A quarter, first dig. Sounds good on pull tabs. I'm not going to run that 70 on that pull tab. You can see the big numbers. I'll run it back across. I'm not going to run that audio response too high. I'm going to run it at 5. I've decided. Trying to make it stable, the machine stable, and then once I get this thing down to real stable, I'll keep the settings, write them down. Coins come in nice and 84, probably a wheat, not a wheat, zinc. Coins come in nice and crisp on this. Yeah, wheat penny, zinc penny. I think we got something. Let's see. 49. What is it? What is it? Uh-oh. Oh no. Merrimack cremation. Not one of these. Yep. Cremation number. Those are always fun to find. Poor Susan. She had a little bit of a medical emergency. Got a nice 97. We'll do a live dig. Yeah, a little bit of a medical emergency. $98. Woo, sweet. Sweet Josephine. Okay, where is it? Should be right in here. Let me bring my pinpointer. Haha, I see it. I see it. Should have brought my pinpointer today, but we'll see. Maybe we'll go do a land hunt. Just doing some more testing. Ooh, that's a good looking quarter. Quarter, all right? Bar Harbor quarter. Got the minus tides coming up this week. And should get good this weekend. It's next weekend.